Hey everybody, it's Emily and I'm back with another video. So today's video I'm going to be unboxing another style box, mystery box type thing. I hope you guys aren't getting tired of it. This one was actually sent to me by somebody who reached out to me. So I'm really excited. They are just starting to do mystery boxes on their Depop. So they picked me to be one of the first people to get one, so I'm really excited. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. This is what the package looks like. And if I'm looking over here, I'm looking at my boyfriend because I'm like nervous to film this video. Packaging looks really pretty, that's what it looks like. So it came with a little note and it says read me first. I'm gonna read it first. I was gonna save it till last because I like to keep all of this stuff a surprise for when I'm opening it. Because if I read the letter, you know. Okay, so this says, hey doll, thanks so much for letting me style you. I hope you love your outfit as much as I love making it. I was originally going toward an Avril Lavigne vibe because she's such an icon, but we ended up in more of a Courtney Love inspired outfit, which is so grunge glam. I love. The first piece to this fit is the top. We have a very unique cropped tee with just a subtle pop of red amongst the goth skulls. The material also feels so comfortable. Next we have the bottoms, which are inspired by the 90s flare pant phase. The black and white stripes make the pant more fun while still being totally grunge with this outfit. I love the subtle clash between the skull rose pattern top and the striped pant. Next we have the faux fur black vest. This piece works with the top and bottoms together while also an aspect of glam to the outfit without taking away any of the grunge. Now we are at the accessories. This necklace is so dang cool. The black long tooth and shorter dark moon chain adds a full layered effect without having to put on tons of the jewelry. Now slip into your dark red 90s kitten heels to complete the look. This shoe alone doesn't scream goth, but when paired with this outfit we get such a look. I love how the dark red pops with the roses in the top while being subtle enough to still fit into this goth grunge look. All the pieces were chosen to be unique and different from the overly trendy grunge pieces. We love a good platform heel and grommet belt, but assuming most people have these pieces already, I decided to go on a different route. I hope you love your outfit, but either way, I would love your honest feedback and impressions so I can improve at this. Much love, Shauna. And then I will include all of her stuff below because she did just start making these bundles and she now has them listed on her Depop, so you can go check those out. I will leave everything listed below. So I'm going to go ahead and open this first package here. This packaging is super cute. It's like super, I don't know, cute. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the fur vest. Oh my god.
That's sick.
This is so cute. Like,
you can literally put that on right now.
I literally will wear this. Like, this is so cute. This is super cute, and I've like kind of been wanting one of these, like a fur jacket or fur vest, whatever. So yeah, this is a really cute piece. This is from Old Navy and it's an extra small, which fits super perfectly. So that is the first piece. Oh my god, I think this is gonna be really good. Because I kind of see through the bag and I'm liking what I'm seeing. So this is the top. Ooh, this is actually a really cute top. Like, I kind of am loving this. It has like a bunch of skulls and like roses on it. Super unique. Okay, and then we have these. Oh my god, these are so cute. These Nasty Gal pants, and they're like brand new. Like, oh my god, what? Okay, but they're like super flared out. Like, I'm definitely going to wear these. These will get a lot of use out of. Yeah, they're kind of sheer, but like you can always just like pop something on underneath them. And then this is the accessories. So I am going to open these up. Ooh, okay. Okay, so these are the earrings, but they're like little skull earrings. They're black skull earrings, which I will definitely wear. Okay, so let's see here. So this is a necklace. I should have been more specific with her. Like, I didn't tell her that I don't really care for gold. That was like one of the only things I didn't tell her, but this is like a cute necklace. I don't know if I would personally wear it, but it is a really cute necklace. Yeah, just not a gold person. Okay, so the last thing are the shoes. Okay, so this is what the shoes look like. These are super cute. Like, they're vintage shoes. They're 7.5. I don't know if they'll fit me, but they are really cute. This is super like grungy. Like, I feel like this is something like Courtney Love would wear. Yeah, so this is what the shoes look like. Okay, so that was the entire outfit. Okay, so this like style box, I'm not sure if she uses just modern pieces, or if she's like combining like thrifted pieces, because these shoes are thrifted, so those are a thrift piece, but like the other pieces I think are like more modern, like you would buy in store. So if you're looking for something like more, you know, vintage, like this might not be the bundle box for you. Okay, so also like going off of her style, so everybody's style is a little bit different. Personally, I love the pieces all on their own. I wouldn't necessarily wear them all together. They are super cute pieces, like I said, on their own. Like these pants I will definitely be wearing a lot, and this vest I will definitely be wearing a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try the pieces on. Okay, so this is what the shirt looks like. I actually really like this crop top. It fits like really nice. And it's like a really cool print. It's like super comfortable, and it's like super fitted, which I really like. Yeah, and it just fits like really well. So this is what the outfit looks like. Like, it looks so good on me. Like, it's not something I would wear, but like it looks so good on me. Like, I don't even care. I love these pants so much. Like, they're super fitted, they're nasty gal, so like, you know. But yeah, so this is what the outfit looks like on. I wear these pieces separately just because like I feel like this is very like, it's just too modern for me. Like, I love having like vintage pieces in my this little vest so much. Like, I'm so excited about this for winter and fall. So basically how you would order one of these, you give her the style that you want, and then you give her all of your measurements obviously and everything like that. But she pretty much listened to everything that I said. I told her I didn't like a couple of things, just like things that I don't think look flattering on me. The only thing I didn't tell her is that I don't like gold jewelry, which was my fault. I love buying like mystery box type things. Like, I think like the whole Depop bundle thing is like a really cool trend. Some of them might be priced a little too much, but again, you have to keep in mind that these people are going out and buying the clothes, so they have to like remake the money. So however you want to invest in these boxes, obviously like you're not gonna get everything that you ever wanted. Like, they're pretty much a mystery box. So you just have to also keep that in mind. I feel like every mystery box thing that I have open is out of my comfort zone. With every box that you're going to buy, mystery box you're going to buy, is going to be out of your comfort zone because it's somebody else styling you. So you also have to keep that in mind. So this particular style box that was sent to me is worth $75. It comes with one outfit, one pair of shoes, and I think her listing said at least 2 accessories. I think if you just buy the outfit box, I think it's like $50. I'm not sure. I'll leave the everything below, but I know that the next price was $100, and that's for 2 outfits. I think you're getting a really good deal with the $75 one. It's not like super expensive. If you're wanting to try out a new style, or you just want some, I don't know, it's just like the thrill of buying a mystery box is like, what am I gonna get? Okay, so that concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.